The Xiaomi 15 EDL test point is a hardware-specific pinout or test point used to enter the device into EDL mode 9008 for flashing firmware, unlocking, or repairing. So, if your Xiaomi Qualcomm phone is bricked and the customer forgets the pattern lock, or you are not able to unlock FRP, then the Xiaomi 15 dada test point can help you fix it quickly. In this guide, we will show you exactly how to locate the EDL test points on the Xiaomi 15 motherboard and how to use them to bring a dead device back to life. This mode used to be called Qualcomm EDL download mode on the Xiaomi 15. You can use this test point in any box, such as Unlock Tool, UFI, UMT, or Chimera. It's as simple as shorting the gold point to the ground and connecting the USB cable. Some individuals continue to utilize it as a sophisticated method to bypass the bootloader's unlocking requirement. What is the EDL test point? The EDL test points consist of two copper pads near the battery connector of your motherboard PCB. Just short these 2 points using tweezers or using a jumper wire when you plug in your phone into a computer. It allows you to go into 9008 flash mode, which is the only place where you can make repairs that require going beyond what you can do with fast boot or recovery mode. Xiaomi 15 EDL test point image. Below is the test point image for the Xiaomi 15 to boot your phone into flash mode. By shorting the 2 points, you can force the device into Qualcomm QDLoader 9008 mode. This connection is necessary to flash stock firmware, bypass the FRP lock, or reset user data if the phone is bricked. Point. Required tools. Before proceeding, please ensure you have the following tools and drivers ready. PC/laptop, running Windows OS. USB cable, a high-quality or original data cable. Conductive tool, tweezers, or a piece of copper wire to short the test points. Opening tools, a heat gun, removal tool, and screwdriver to disassemble the back panel. Drivers, Qualcomm HSUSB QDLoader 9008 driver is installed on your PC. Software, Unlock Tool, DFT Pro, Chimera, or your preferred FRP unlock tool. Steps to use Xiaomi 15 test point. Turn off the phone completely and unplug it from the computer. Remove the back cover to expose the motherboard. Unplug the battery connector from the motherboard. This is often necessary for the device to enter EDL mode correctly. Identify the 2 specific EDL copper pins on the motherboard. Use metal tweezers or a copper wire to bridge, touch, both test points simultaneously. While holding the tweezers in place, keeping the points shorted, plug the USB cable into the phone and PC. Remove the tweezers once the computer produces a sound or detects the device. Immediately reconnect the battery flex cable. Some devices will exit EDL mode if the battery isn't reconnected quickly. Check Device Manager on your PC. The phone should be listed under ports, COM and LPT, as Qualcomm HSUSB QDLoader 9008. You are now ready to use your flashing or unlock tool. Remove Xiaomi 15 FRP using Unlock Tool. Start up the Unlock Tool software. Click on the Xiaomi tab. Select the Security tab. Choose the model Xiaomi 15. Navigate to the BROM/EDL option. After that, press BROM Erase FRP. Use the test point above to connect the phone.